Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing your resource pool so Smartsheet can calculate realistic allocations. First, make sure you and key team members have appropriate licenses and resource manager access. Next, build a dedicated resource sheet with columns for name, role, availability in hours per week, and billing rate. Once done, import users from your directory or add them manually, and set each person's calendar and FTE, for example 0, 5, or 1. 0. This gives the system the baseline data it needs to manage assignments. Now map your project tasks to the resource data so Smartsheet can detect conflicts. Link each project's resource/contact column to entries in the resource sheet and provide task durations and estimated hours. Then populate an allocation column with hours or percentage values per task. Smartsheet will roll these up against each person's capacity. Once linked, enable usage reports and filters so you can view allocations by person, week, or project. If you do this carefully, you'll spot overloads early and finish by optimizing allocations and resolving any conflicts Smartsheet found. Use the resource management view or workload charts to visualize utilization, then reassign or level tasks. Either change due dates or swap assignees to free capacity. Make sure to adjust FTE or hours when recurring overages appear. If something still looks wrong, check calendar exceptions, duplicate contact entries, or broken links between sheets. Those are common causes. Finally, run a fresh usage report to confirm the fixes and lock in the updated schedule.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.